but I'm about to go study for my fundamentals exam, and it's med calculations today, so I'll show you guys what it's like. Okay, so we finally have our study room almost complete. We moved the study table here. We finally got a TV, my parents' old TV, because they're getting a smaller one for their room. And then we have a couch here, and then table for food and stuff, and then the bathroom's right there. And I'm just so excited because this can also just be a lounge for when our friends come. So just bought a rug here. Planning to put it right here. I believe it was 5 by 7 feet. So I'll update you guys when it all comes in. I'm finally done with all my exams. I just had a little stack downstairs, and I feel so restless but also tired, so I'm gonna try to nap before I go to the gym. I don't know if that's a great idea because I might be a little groggy, but I'm really gonna go to the gym tonight. So I'm just gonna sit here and edit my most recent clips I have for a vlog. I don't know how much content I have, so we'll find out. And yeah, so I'll try to vlog later. We'll see. Just got to Sean's, finished the gym. Sean's still at work, and we're supposed to go to, I'll show you guys later, but he's going to the gym right after work for a little, so I'm just gonna study until he's done.
Q&A of the day. What's your guys' favorite Jolly Rancher flavor? There's grape, green apple, watermelon, and cherry. Comment below.
Good afternoon. We are going to run some errands. They take forever to leave the house. I'm just waiting.
How come you don't wear Uggs?
Oh my god! The last time I had Uggs was like, I don't even remember when. Let's go. Oh, she pulled out her chunky vest.
Yeah.
We're shopping for our house again. I don't know what they're trying to get. What are you trying to get here?
Look, it's a bar, but why would you want?
Oh my god, look at this coffee maker. we have the, I think, cheaper version of this. We got it. My brother got it. I love all these types of little gadgets. So many things in here, it's kind of dangerous. Oh my gosh, they keep looking at Christmas trees. We already have 2 Christmas trees. Oh my god, look. This is so cute. I want this.
That's not for eating, you know that.
Yeah, it is. This is definitely for eating. So cute. So chonky. There's so many. This is everything we have so far. If you saw my last vlog, they had 2 of the original chips left. Oh, they're always sold out. And then we're gonna try the sour cream and onion this time. Yum. I rate this a 9 out of 10. So good. She thought it was a hot dog.
What's in here?
Mozzarella, and then there's the hot dogs on the on somewhere over there.
Fat shit.
We're in Target now. We're looking at Christmas decorations again. Like, why?
5 minutes.
You probably kept clicking it. Look how big these ornaments are. There's only 3 that comes in here. Oh, I like those poofs. Those poofs are so cute.
Can I please put this on his collar?
Oh my god, this is for a cat. But should
Can I put this on his collar?
Okay.
He's so excited. Then we're gonna put these on him.
Jack thinks it's food.
Jack, Jack. We're going to the gym now. It's almost 10 o'clock. Just did some back and bottom. I did a warm up and now I'm doing a pull down. He's been on the treadmill this entire time. Feels good because I ate a lot today. Here's our Thursday night. We just got Royal Farms. I just got a kid's chicken quesadilla. It looks so little. Oh my god, it's a baby. So cute.
Yeah, it's not a race.
Just makes the better cake.
Hey, Ruth.
We got the icing. We cannot break any.
Hey. Good job. Good morning or afternoon. I woke up kind of late today. Fridays are usually the days I sleep in a lot because I don't have class. Whenever I wake up naturally is when I go to the gym. And I'm not gonna vlog my workout today because it's the exact same thing. So as she's meeting me again, you guys will see her in the next clip. I think that's Ashley.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Let's get that big one.
If you ever want pre-workout gummies, just let it sit in your bag for a while. This is like a 6-month fermentation process. We're just waiting to go inside. It's been months, so. Nice. We're doing great. Why is this so funny? What is this angle?
I'm getting embarrassed.
We got some gingerbread men. This is a annual buy. Mm. Trader Joe's haul. This is our favorite cheddar rockets. It's better than goldfish. Some old-fashioned oats for my cookies. Then we got some blueberries for my oatmeal. We have everything but the bagel seasoning for my sandwiches and avocado toast. We have this habanero hot sauce Stella recommended, so I'm gonna try this. She said it's like a good spicy. I got my brother's favorite truffle potato chips. This is new, everything but the bagel nut duo. I'm gonna try one. Chili lime chicken burger patties. I've never tried this, but I'm gonna try it soon. Some rice cauliflower. We got some frozen scallops, so I'm gonna try making this. And some jumbo shrimp, some boring string beans, but it's really fresh there. Some kale for some smoothies, and then just multi-grain flings for sandwiches. Hi! she brought us wine. Cheers.
Cheers.
And then we're making spaghetti. I'm just waiting for that to boil. And then I'm gonna make the sauce after. And then we're gonna make some cookies.
Ah, I see. Oh.
Wow. I'm so excited. Bone apple tea.
Bone apple tea. I am negative.
She just got here. We're just watching Joan Day. And then I'm gonna paint my nails. What?
He's watching him.
Find your prince. We just got to this new shopping area or like dining fancy place. Okay. We found out that there's a Paris baguette here, so we're gonna go get some dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee.
Is this Korea?
What is this side commentary?
I'm about to break this. You just gotta remember the size.
Oh, it says pool. We just can't read directions. You know what makes like my pet peeve is sticky fingers. Yeah. Oh, it got mixed in more. Flavor's not in there yet. Yeah, right? It's not that sweet, right? Here we got a fiddle fig and a monstera. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put my monstera in my room. I gotta get a planter for this. I want one that's raised so it doesn't touch the ground. I'm so excited. Hopefully I can keep it alive. Day 1. Rachel's here. We're on our way to Target.
We can go this way. Oh, it says do not enter.
We're trying to get some gingerbread houses again because the first time I did it with Sean, it was a failure. So
I don't think
take 2.
I don't think you'll be able to do it.
No, believe in yourself. You could do it.
No, it's really hard.
No, but she's like worried that the foundation won't stay on well.
It won't.
No, so what happens is you have to use that white roof to keep it together. The roof is the hardest part. We just finished the holiday per Rachel's recommendation. 10 out of 10. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Sam, what do you rate it? 10 out of 10. Okay, no one's forcing you to say that. Ashley, what do you rate it?
9.
Oh. Right now, and I'm on my way to go try on some bridesmaids dresses for Casey's wedding. It's our first time, so we're just going to one shop today. Hopefully we'll have some luck, but I'm so excited, so I'll try to film when I'm there. See y'all over there. I literally slept all day, but we just came and we're eating. What is this? Ox broth? Ox bone broth?
Yeah.
Ox bone broth soup. There's this restaurant nearby my house. Good. I just got home and it's literally been like 30 minutes. He still hasn't found a hello? You don't act like you're sleeping. You literally were just clicking. You could hear it in the background. Hurry up, you're wasting time. Pick a movie. Dang, like 50 years. No, you're just picky.